Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick guide where I'll show you how to set up Visual Studio Code to run and compile C++ programs on your Windows computer. Whether you're using Windows 10 or 11, this guide has got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to write and execute your first C++ program like a pro. Let's get started. The first thing we need is Visual Studio Code. Head over to the official website and download the installer. If you're unsure which version to pick, just click the big blue button for the default option. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the instructions. Accept the agreement, keep the default settings, and let the installation finish. When the setup is done, launch Visual Studio Code. You'll see some initial setup options, feel free to explore them. Once that's done, let's talk about the two extensions you'll need to work with C++ in VS Code. Go to the Extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. The first extension is the C/C++ Extension Pack by Microsoft. Install it by clicking Install. Once that's done, search for Code Runner, another great extension that makes running your C++ programs a breeze. Install that too, and we're good to go with extensions. Next, we need a compiler to actually run our C++ code. For this, we'll use MSys2, which includes MinGW W64 GCC. Go to msys2.org and download the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions, keeping the default installation path unless you prefer something else. Remember where you install it, we'll need it soon. After the installation, the MSys2 terminal will open automatically. Now, let's install MinGW W64 GCC. Type this command into the terminal. Hit Enter and confirm by typing Y when prompted. The installation will take a few seconds, so sit tight. Next, let's install the MinGW toolchain, which includes GDB for debugging. Run this command. From the list of options, type the number corresponding to GDB and press Enter. Confirm the installation by typing Y. Once it's complete, type the following command to confirm GCC is installed. If you see the version info, congratulations. Your compiler is ready. Now we need to tell Windows where to find the tools we just installed. Locate the installation folder of MSys2. Go to the ucrt64/bin directory, right-click the path in the address bar, and copy it. Next, search for Environment Variables in the Start menu and open it. Click the Environment Variables button. Find the path variable under System Variables, and click Edit. Add a new entry and paste the path you just copied. Repeat this step for the MinGW 64/bin directory. Click OK to save everything. Now, let's create a new file and save it as hello.cpp. Next, let's write a simple Hello World program. To run the program, simply click the Run button or press F5 to start debugging. Your program will execute, and you'll see the output in the terminal. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Visual Studio Code for C++ development and are now ready to write and run your own C++ programs. And that's it. You're now ready to code, compile, and debug C++ programs right from Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!